It is currently 7:35 on the farm right now. We are getting everyone ready for bed, and tonight I thought I might do a night routine with you guys, just for the fun of it and to show you guys how we really get our farm ready for bed and get the animals down for bed. I am just going over to the pigs right now. I'm gonna make sure they have water because it has been pretty hot out, and well, I need to make sure they got clean water before they go to bed. Hello. Hi, Swain is all muddy, and Daddy Warbucks is in here just because it's been so hot out. Yesterday I did bring Daddy Warbucks in the house. I gave him a bath and everything. I come out during the day and I find him rolling in a mud pit, so that just ruined the whole bath. It's really hard to keep him inside during the summertime just because it's so hot out and they like to roll in mud. So, but other than that, I'm gonna give them some water real quick, and then I'm gonna head inside and get the milk cart ready, and we're gonna start milking cows. Okay, so like I said, right about now I am bringing the milk cart out to the barn because I'm gonna get that out early while my mom is getting the cows' feed ready. And then I'm gonna help my sister kind of with the calves and stuff, just getting shavings in their stall so that that's all done and we can just milk cows and then finish off some other things after we milk cows. Also, I got one baby bottle ready for the calves. We are bucket training now, both babies, so that's just to measure. They're doing really good so far, but I will show you guys more on their bucket training journey tonight. I hear Daddy Warbucks screaming in the background. The chickens are going in. I'm gonna quickly close them before I head up there. I've got loads of eggs. Well, hello. No, please. They are totally following me. Guys. Girls. What are we doing? I'm gonna have to try to get in here by myself. Really, ladies? I did it. I made it. I'm in the barn. We got Shorty in here, and then we got, can y'all see her? Little Majestic back there. I'm gonna put the cart down and then I'm gonna go pick up the feed on the porch. My mom got it already, so we're good to go. We have loads of heifers now. I'm probably thinking about doing a heifer video. Anyway, here they are. Huh? What are we doing? Oh, why it's so windy. Hi, Mama. Anyway, we're going to keep working. I'm gonna go get the feed cart real quick, so I'll be back, yes. I just noticed that Formosa is all the way in that corner. What are you doing? Right now I am heading down to open a gate because we do have to put shavings in the barn before we start anything. So yeah, that is what I'm doing. The sunset is so pretty. Who's that? Over more. Over. going. So. For some reason, it is so windy. I don't know why. Like it all of a sudden got really windy. Okay. Come on. It's time to go in. Come on, girls. I don't know how I'm gonna get them in myself. Come on. Hang on. I've got to halter each of them because they are not listening. Come on. Come on, girls. Maybe they're coming in now. Here we go. Well, I guess I don't need the halter. They're being good girls tonight. What? What are you doing? Come on in, girl. Come on. Come on, girl. Wow, that was good. That was surprising. Thank you, girls. And I don't think there's any storms coming tonight, so that's kind of weird. She is so cute. Okay, I got the milk cart set up. That baby in there. She is the definition of cuteness. I can't explain it. You guys saw. Anyway, I'm gonna head down. I'm gonna grab the dairy cows. I'm gonna bring them up and we are going to start milking. My sister is feeding all the calves that we just put up, so they're good. I think after milking, normally someone goes and filters the milk and then someone cleans the barn. I think I'm gonna pick cleaning the barn tonight, but we'll see. Since Maple already had her baby, she's in our milking rotation now, so we have to milk her after we milk Favor and Elias. I'm gonna head down, I'm gonna get the cows. Goodness. Here we go. I gotta walk all the way down to the pasture, let them out, and bring them up to the pasture that has the barn. Oh my goodness, the camera quality is so bad. I am so sorry. Let's let them in. Here comes Elias first. Then we have Favor. Oh, that's not Favor, that's Maple. I can barely see you. There's Favor. Go on, Mama. Go on up there. Look at that bag. Whew. This camera quality is so bad. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's shut the gate. Oh, wait a minute, we're missing one. Where's Florette? Our three mamas came up, but Florette is still out here. Florette! Fat Nick! Where is she? Excuse you. What are you doing? It's time. Yeah. Yes, I'm filming. She knows. She automatically knows when I'm filming. Come on, girls. Come on, Maple. They're waiting at the door because they're gonna go in first. And then Maple is gonna go behind them when they're done, like I said. Okay.
I usually have a mat there. No, because I put off the paperwork. I decided, good job. Woo.
And that's really all I can tell you. And then you can transition them out there, but you're going to have to get that cleaned up.
Alright, after I'm done stripping out Elias, the last thing that we're going to do is just use this teat disinfectant on her, and then we're going to use our homemade tallow balm just to moisturize her teats and just keep them from not getting dry. So, that is what I'm doing. I'm not going to use too much, just enough to keep her teats moisturized. They do get dry. She is chewing her cud right now. She's got a big piece of cud in her cheek. Look at it. Oh. Let's let Maple loose. Okay, I'm gonna start milking Maple. My mom's gonna take Favor out. That's what's going on. We're almost done with the cows, so we're good. Can't get this glove on. I know in the big dairies they have to like stand and then all the cows are in a row while they're milking them, but since we have a micro dairy we get to sit on our little stools and just milk our cows. Which I think is kind of nice. This is just an easier angle. We're done with cleaning. Oh, we're done with cleaning. I'm going to put the machine on Miss Maple. Let's go. I just got done with Maple. We're gonna measure out the milk into our bucket for the calves. I'm gonna try to pour this. This is probably gonna be really heavy.
So I'm going to tell you when, because I can see your line. Whew, heavy.
Oh, dang.
That's a lot of milk.
Okay, so we've decided my mom is milk, and then I'm going to do the barn cleaning. But first, we're going to feed these calves.
That milk.
Yes.
Have fun.
Thanks.
Maple. So I always let her go over and sniff and kiss her baby.
Okay. And that's what we'll do.
Okay. There's MJ.
Go kiss your baby. Kiss your baby. Now she loves her baby, okay? This cow loves her baby. Yeah. Is that your baby? Is that your baby? Get your baby. Get your baby. Okay, I just finished taking Maple down. That wind is brutal. I do not know why it's windy tonight. That's just weird. Anyway, I cannot let the milk sit, so I am going to bucket feed. Bucket feed? Wish me luck. Because they're crazy about this. They're crazy about this process. First, we're going to do the new baby, Miss MJ, Majestic. I forgot to mention her nickname is MJ, so my mom was calling her MJ. I don't know, Majestic, so it's like MJ. Anyway, let's feed the baby. Okay. So Majestic does get more milk than Formosa because she's just a bigger cow. And then Formosa gets the smaller bit. Hey girl, you ready? So since we are starting her out on the bucket and we're taking that nipple away from her, we are starting her out on feed as well. So she's doing a good job. I am so proud of you. Yes, you're a good baby. Okay, let's get your milk. Okay, let's get it. Got it right here. Don't be too crazy about this. Okay, you need to calm down. Hey, calm down. Calm down. She just literally spilled milk everywhere. I'm just showing you guys the craziness about bucket training these little dairy calves. It's crazy. Okay. She's crazy. I have milk all over me. I literally just took a milk bath. So she is cute, but bucket training calves is that's a job. Why? What did you do? Did you knock down your feed bucket? Okay, okay. So, hang on. They literally try to drown themselves in it. Oh my goodness. Oh. Girly, you're wild. Yes, you're wild. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna rip this. Hear me loud. This wind, oh my gosh. You're hitting your hooves on the thing, sir. Before we do anything else, we gotta move that cutie over to her stall. for the night.
Cutesy, that'd be a cute cat. Cutesy.
This barn is practically done. I think we're good to go. Stanchion is cleaned. The cows are good, fed, and ready for bed. I'm gonna go around and just make sure everyone's okay. Now, I will point out that our nighttime is definitely easier than the morning time because we do have more animals to feed in the morning. But anyway, nighttime routines are definitely easier. I also wanted to point out, because some of you guys do ask, you're like, how come Devin's doing all the work? Where's Maddie? So, I'm not doing all the work. I'm just doing outside work. So, we do tend to separate, and somebody works in the house because we have a big household to take care of, and then someone comes out and helps on the farm. We do switch, but tonight Madison was inside. She did the work inside, and then I'm doing the work outside, helping my family. So, I just wanted to clarify that. Shorty's eating. We just gave him hay and water. Baby Majestic, she's good. I am going to go out in the wind. I'm going to go see how everyone else is doing and check on JB and Gloria. Good night. Good night, you two. You guys can barely see them, but JB, okay. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he is literally laid out right there. That's his face. He's laid out. And then Gloria's right here just chilling. Hey, girly. Good night. Good night. Go to bed. I'm back on the porch. Everyone's good to go. Roscoe is in his dog hut right now. What are you doing? Hi, bud. I think it's time we close off for the night and we head to bed because I'm tired and it's late. Anyway, I am off to bed. If you guys enjoyed this video, as always, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Good night.